Escape to Poudre River Lodge, a stunning 63.8-acre riverfront retreat in northern Colorado. This meticulously rebuilt 5-bedroom designer home offers private access to a premier fly fishing stretch of the Cache la Poudre River. Enjoy year-round outdoor adventures, including hiking, fishing, and breathtaking canyon views, all just 1 hour from Fort Collins. This nearly 3,000 square foot mountain retreat sits just 100 feet from the legendary Cache la Poudre River, offering immersive access to one of Colorado's most celebrated fly fishing corridors. Originally sited in the 1970s, the home has been completely rebuilt with a deep commitment to preserving its natural and architectural roots, including the original stone masonry and the striking wood ceiling milled from timber harvested on site. This 2,976 square foot home has been fully reimagined from the ground up by its developer owner for personal use, now paired with modern touches and expansive windows that frame the river just beyond. Twin triple-panel glass sliding doors lead to a stunning second-story deck with a built-in fire table where one can enjoy the views and the constant soundtrack of moving water. Inside, the kitchen features rustic dark oak cabinetry with a wire-brushed finish, with marble counters and a statement range flowing seamlessly into open dining and living spaces, perfect for both hosting and unwinding. Surrounded by national forest and tucked deep into the canyon, this one-of-a-kind property offers rare privacy, soulful design, and a genuine connection to place. Encompassing 63.8 acres and bordered by vast national forest, this property offers direct access to miles of private trails, including one that leads straight from the backyard into the alpine wilderness. Mature cottonwoods and aspens shade the land, their colors shifting dramatically with the seasons, while dramatic outcroppings form a rugged and inspiring backdrop. The river here is exceptional. Located just below the fish hatchery, this stretch of the Poudre is renowned for its healthy populations of rainbow trout, browns, and the occasional trophy cutbow. With classic western features, deep runs, clean riffles, large holding boulders, and prime casting lanes, this is a fly angler's dream. Step into the water from your own property, or simply sit on the deck and watch the fish rise. Elsewhere on the property are 4 discrete RV sites, remnants of a former campground repurposed to welcome visiting friends and family, the ever-changing light playing off the canyon walls. This is a place for casting dry flies into clear currents, hiking straight from your back door, and gathering beneath the stars. Properties like this are almost never available, a legacy stretch of river, and a home that feels deeply resolved. Soulful, architectural, and built with lasting care, it lives in quiet harmony with the land around it. Every detail is considered, every view earned. This isn't just a home, it's one of those rare places where beauty, stillness, and permanence meet. A sanctuary, both rare and real. Whether you're after a full-time residence or a family retreat, this is Colorado riverfront living at its absolute finest. For your own private showing, please contact James Gentry or Zach Visa.